Siphinde sikubingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena uqala ungena leli khasi siyacela ukuba subscribe khona cofa ibhathini khona uzokhulisa leli khasi khona lizokuhlala zililethela indaba njengoba zinjalo. I-DA ithi ayikwazi ukuthi i-ANC ingaphula isivumelwano ababevumelane ngaso ekuqaleni bezohlanganisa i-GNU. Bathi bazimisela ukuthi baye etafuleni if i-ANC izobuya kulesi sivumelwano ababevumelane ngaso sokuthi bazoshare amandla ekuphatheni iGauteng. Ngaphandle kwalokho bathi angeke baze bavumelane naleyo nto, bayichitha ke lona. Kodwa ke awumuzwe ke uHelenzile ezibekela ngokwakhe indaba ukuthi ngabe uthini.
We as the DA are prepared to enter the government of provincial unity in Gauteng on the basis of a power-sharing partnership to reflect the will of the voters in Gauteng. But we are not prepared to be co-opted by the ANC on their terms alone, acting as if the ANC still has an overall majority in Gauteng, which it does not. We cannot agree to be taken hostage in a government of provincial unity in which only one party dictates the terms. As far as committee chairs in the Gauteng legislature are concerned, the proposal was that the DA would take 6 out of a total of 17, and we were prepared to accept this allocation despite a significant shortfall on the basis of the executive reflecting the letter and the spirit of the Declaration of Intent. Our door remains open to further negotiations when the ANC is genuinely committed to treating us as a party that is almost the same size as they are in Gauteng. We will again come to the table in an atmosphere of mutual respect and negotiate in good faith and seek to build trust between the parties. There is still work to do. We must work through the statement of intent to ensure that we have the same understanding of that statement and that we don't start arguing later about what various clauses mean. And we must reach an agreement for the genuine sharing of power so that we can properly serve the voters and act in the interests of the electorate and respect the way they voted. So that is our statement. It is going to be coming to you. And I would be very grateful if Janine could distribute. What is that?